Okay, Grandpa periodic service complete. Filled up the windshield washer fluid and pumped all the tires up. I pumped them up to 45. It turns out it really should have been 42. I should have checked before. I'm so used to it being 45, I just go to 45. But there you go. Time to wash it. Oh man. And see, it's about vacuuming a little bit, huh? Okay, I just got my harness recall done. It turns out, I thought they were talking about seatbelt harness. What they're talking about is the harness here, basically the wiring that comes into the trunk lid. They replaced that, and there was a place in here where the wires get bound up, and so it would cut off your rear view mirror camera if it became a problem. Okay, whatever, peace and harmony. The guy was quick, got it done. Like, wow, cool, awesome. And got to ask him some questions that were very helpful. So I'm very happy with that service. There you go. Okay, so the rear trunk lid harness recall has been done. All right, so the car has been washed. I actually washed it yesterday. Just catching up on everything. Anyway, there's it's almost pretty as it can be. Okay, vacuumed out. I mean, not perfect vacuum out, but pretty decent. All the seats been cleaned. Missed the spot there and there. Okay. Well, it's hard. It's so with grandkids running around your car, sometimes they get their feet up on the various places in the car. All you gotta do is do your best to clean it out the best you can. And there you go. Back's cleaned out. Yes, Big Turkey apparently had her feet all over the place in the back, on the back seat there. But whatever. It looks much nicer now. Okay, Grandpa trunk. Now, you might notice over here, I don't remember how pervasive this is, but in 2020, this Model 3 had this side cut off. Okay, Grandpa SubTrunk. Okay, and the little pocket on the side. Okay, windshield wiper washer fluid. During the summer, here in Texas, the washer fluid they sell is rated down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. For some reason, I found these orange ones, the Rain-X ones, I found at Walmart during the winter. And it says 0 degrees Fahrenheit. But over here, the one time I was going to the Great White North, to go visit my daughter and family, I came across these are minus 20 Fahrenheit. So I bought a couple of those. Do I really need them? Probably not, but it's here just in case. When I worked with the school bus company, we were told we couldn't buy anything that was below 32 degrees in Texas. Whatever.